Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video. This is a story about usisi wethu uMatshidiso Shayi uye waduma nje noma ke ake kwavela kakhulukazi ke ivideo yakhe la enkundleni zokuxhumana ethintana ke nokuchitha kwakhe ke echithela umkhwenyana wakhe laphayana ke nomfana ke lo esimazi ngoLimpopo Boy. This is an official statement by her. So laphana ke an official statement ithi ke I have seen the video currently circulating on social media and conversation that have followed. I understand the disappointment, the questions and the pain that this situation has caused. I take full responsibility for my actions and I apologize unreservedly. Laphana ke uthi ke to her husband uthi ke I am deeply sorry for hurting you and for putting our marriage under public scrutiny. You have been my partner, my support and my strength. I did not consider the pain my actions would have caused you. I love you. I value our marriage and I am committed to doing the work to rebuild the trust that has been broken. I asked for your forgiveness and your understanding as I learned and grow from this. Kusho yena ke lapha uMatshidiso uthi ke emndenini wakhe ke to my family, I'm sorry for embarrassing and pain this situation has caused you. Thank you for your standing by me, for your love and for being my foundation throughout this difficult time. Bese thike laphana ke to have friends, and thank you to the friends who have reached out, checked on me and offered me encouragement and advice. I appreciate your honesty and your support more than words can say. Ube-ke esegcina laphana-ke ngama-supporters wakhe wathi-ke I hear you, I understand your disappointment and I accept your criticism. I'm not perfect and I will not pretend to be. I am a human. I made a mistake and I'm taking a responsibility for it. I kindly ask for your privacy for myself, my husband and our families as we navigate this situation together. I am committed to learning to be better and protecting what matters most. Thank you to everyone who continues to show love, grace and understanding with humility. Matshidiso Shayi laphayana ke kusho yena ke uMrs Shayi. Nganza kwethu ke I would like to know if ever it was you, were you going to consider the apology if you were the husband? Since ke sesimbonile uhusband ukuthi ke uyakhala kakhulukazi ke ngokuthi kunzima khona ukuthi ke engamxolela, but ke kunzima kakhulu futhi ukuthi ke engavele nje ashiye kanjalo ngenxa yothando analo for yona lentokazi. Umbono wakho ngikanza ngathi ngawujabulela kuyona ke i-comment section mayelana nalo lolu daba. Ungakhohlwa ke ukusubscribe uphinde ke ulike yona le video.